10 Methods to Think About Cash. Watch this video, so you will recognize how 10 methods to think approximately money. The very last chapter become mainly interesting. So I presented a summary of it, in 10 simple points. As an infant, I by no means idea approximately money. As a teenager, I turned into considering spending it. Before we go on, please give us your support by giving a like and subscribe to our channel. Now as in person, I want to make money and develop it. It's funny how our perceptions of cash exchange over the years. This ebook surely positioned them into attitude. I'm sure a few will hit home for you too. How to reflect on consideration on money. 1. Possessions versus reviews. We have a tendency to favor possessions with lasting cost. But frequently we get more happiness when we spend our cash on experiences. Forget the brand new automobile. Take your family to Paris rather, or Disney World. Eat properly meals, take lots of photos, immerse yourself in the way of life and come back with priceless reminiscences. 2. Treat your pals and own family. We ought to use our money to deal with loved ones. Take the children for a ski excursion, purchase them a brand new skateboard. Take your partner to the theater or smash them with remaining minute surprises. When your pals are on the town, take them out for dinner, show them the points of interest. Life is short, display human beings you admire them. 3. Spend your days doing what you love. Save all you may, from as early as feasible. The stop aim is to quickly buy yourself economic freedom. So you could do things that might not be as money-making, as they may be significant. Saving continually ought to mean that inside some years you could spend extra time doing things you love. And that brings cause to your lives. 4. Plan for a longer existence. You have to worry less approximately dying early in retirement. People are dwelling longer than ever earlier than. That approach you want to keep extra than your predecessors ever did. You could without difficulty be retired for more than 40 years. So while durability is great news and lets in you to see and do greater in your lifetime, it also approach you have in duty to save more aggressively these days. Keep for retirement. 5. Invest for the long time. Your funding time horizon is not measured in weeks and months. It's measured in years and decades. Look beyond the market's quick time period fluctuations. A globally diversified portfolio invested inside the International's best groups ought to cushion against surprising blows and permit you to accrue brilliant profits if you stay invested for many years. 6. Cut down on fixed monthly fees. Mortgages, motors, utilities, insurance rates. All these are fixed monthly fees, which should quantity to no extra than 50% of your earnings. By slicing down on these, you'll free up extra money and feature greater leeway for emergency prices and discretionary spending. 7. Stop trying to beat the market. The more difficult you attempt to beat the market, the much more likely you're to fail. Buying high and promoting low can incur huge charges. Not to mention, have detrimental consequences on savings. The fine manner to avoid that is to stay invested and maintain centered to your lengthy time period desires. Long-term monetary goal. 8. Don't be alarmed by using marketplace declines. Stocks have essential value. For a varied portfolio, that essential value will alternate lots extra slowly than market fees. You want to consciousness at the dividends and income you buy with each greenback, pound or euro invested. Always keep in mind that over the long run, you will gain rewards. And that when the marketplace declines, it's the exceptional time to shop for. 9. Your remaining intention. Retirement can be your lifestyle's very last financial aim. But it need to be considered one of your first priorities. It's the maximum steeply priced intention, so it requires extra consistent saving over an extended time frame. It's also massively exclusive from different financial savings goals. Like buying a domestic or paying on your infant's training. It's no longer in choice. and you can't count on to pay for it with a paycheck. 10. Redefine your goal. Your intention shouldn't be to get rich. Rather, it ought to be to have enough money to lead the life you need. You shouldn't take on hazard you're now not at ease with, or stray to some distance from a global indexing approach. As your perceptions of money modifications, so do your desires. Your financial plan must reflect this. If it's time to revisit your present-day portfolio, get in contact. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, so you'll be notified for our upcoming videos. As always, thanks for watching, have a good day.